The Springfield Police Firearms Investigation Unit recovered 164 illegal guns in the city, making it a record high. Springfield Police Superintendent Lawrence Akers is praising the police unit's work and released a statement saying, quote, "Our firearms investigation unit continues to build on its success with a record number of illegal guns taken off the street. Their investigations target suspected shooters and individuals who impact the safety of our neighborhoods." So far in 2026, city officials say law enforcement have already seized at least 5 illegal guns, which have also led to multiple arrests and drugs seized.